Hello and welcome back to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use office shapes in Word to create art as well as I give you presentation tips. In today's video, I'm going to make a Euler diagram. So let's begin. Insert, Shapes, choose the rounded rectangle. In Shape Fill, choose No Fill. Now go to Shape Outline. Choose a dark blue. Go Shape Outline, Weight, choose 6. Now go into Bevel and choose Round. So I'm just going to create a whole bunch of these. Copy, paste. And I'm just going to change the color. Go to Outline. This one's going to be orange. This one's going to be blue, or green, I should say. It's quite a bit. I'm not going to use all of them right away. So we're going to use money as an example. Okay, so here, I'm going to go Insert, Shapes, and choose a text box. Choose Arial, black. And for now, let's just choose 20. For the color, it'll be black. And it just say coins. And then go Shape Format, Shape Outline, No Outline. And then select Fixed Position to make it easier to move. So this will be coins. Shape Fill, No Fill. That way we don't cover the boundary here. So that would be coins. Now in here, let's change that to Fixed Position. Probably should have done that earlier. This one, I'm going to copy this. Copy. Paste. And just say pennies. So pennies are a subset of coins. And then we're going to have another one here. Dimes. Just go up here. 0.39. And then, I don't know what that one was for. Maybe more, 4.5. 4.5 centimeters. And this thing, this would be, you could have one item that's outside of it, and you can call this bank. And it'll be next to it. And then we just want to add one more. I'm going to copy this. And maybe make this gray. And then make this currency. And then I'm just going to move this over here. And this one here should actually be encompassing everything. This bank, make it a little bit flush with this. You can add paper money, things like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching.